Hey friends, so I know I haven't been updating you on my Candid co-aligners. It did take a little bit for me to get my plan emailed to me, but that's because it has to go through their orthodontist. They have to make some tweaks and changes until they get the plan right. And honestly, I wasn't really mad at it because I want to make sure that my teeth are perfect once they're done. The whole time that I was waiting, it was really easy to get in contact with them through the 800 number or through the email, which is really nice because I'm one of those people that I get really bad anxiety when people keep me waiting, especially for things like this. So it was really nice to have contact with them. But today is the day because I finally got my plan emailed to me. And for me, I feel like this is going to be such a big change in my teeth. I know a lot of people were saying that they don't see a big issue with my teeth, and that's completely fine. But for me, I feel like the crowding that I have in the bottom definitely shows when I'm speaking, when I take pictures, and it makes it look like these two teeth right here are larger than the other ones. So when I saw that they corrected that right away, I was so excited. So now I'm going to show you what my plan looks like. Once I approve it, then the next step comes. I'm on the Candid website. These are my teeth now. They're going to have me wear it for 2 weeks, 9 different steps. And then this is the change in my teeth. When I open my mouth, I'm gonna move this forward. So this is my teeth now. And that is my teeth after the treatment. Those are my bottoms. My tops. This is after. So that's before. You can see the gap right here. And then bam, 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 bam. So it lets you see like the side view and all that. This is my teeth now, and then my teeth after. So you can see like a big change. So now that I've approved the plan, basically what happens now is my aligners go into production. They make those bad boys. In like 2 or 3 weeks, I should receive them in the mail, and I'm just so excited. So if you want to try Candid Co with me, don't forget to use code JAY25. You get 25% off your at-home impression. And I believe that they're opening up more studios everywhere. So make sure you go on their website. Maybe they have a studio open already and you can go get that scan done for the free. So instead of posting this video, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait until I get my box so I can show you guys the box, and then I might wait until my teeth actually start to shift. That way you guys can actually see how I'm doing, if they fit, if they hurt, if my teeth are shifting, because I don't have any patience. I don't really like following people's stories and I have to wait 45 months to see if things worked for them. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wait and update you guys once everything is happening. So I will see ya when my box gets here. Hi, I just got my aligners in the mail. Today is a good day. Look how fancy schmancy this box is. I can't wait to show you guys what's inside and to see what my aligners are gonna look like. We're gonna try them on now and see how they fit. So this is the big old box that the plan comes in, and once you open it up, it's gonna have some dividers and all of this stuff. This is supposed to be to clean your aligners and also whiten your teeth. Here is where you're supposed to keep your aligners when you're not wearing them. And these are all the steps. Now it goes all the way to 12, but my plan only has 9 steps. This is what the aligners look like, and on the bottom they do have lettering on them, and it does tell you what aligner set you're on, so if you ever do mix them up with another set, you always know which one you're on. So in here they have some more information on Candid Co and your aligners. Another cool thing about Candid is their partnership with Smile Train, which provides children around the world with cleft repair surgery. Candid donates $25 to Smile Train with each aligner kit sold. They provided 100 kids in need with surgery, and this year they're aiming for 1,000, so they include information on that. Then I saw these little chewy things, and they're meant to help put your aligners into place, and this is good to keep in your carrying case. Then they have more information on how to place your aligners properly. And then this little thing, and this is supposed to be to take pictures of your smile. So it's like that game that you play that makes you open your mouth really wide. And then the last thing is this thing to help take off your aligners when you are done, because they are really, really snug. This is what they look like. I'm gonna go ahead and put them on now. And I'm supposed to wear these for 2 weeks. That went on pretty easy. And then this is my top one. So they're not uncomfortable. It's definitely a little hard to speak with them because I have to get used to it being in my mouth. But it's not really touching my gums or anything like that. At least not how I've heard some people describe it, where they feel like it's scraping up against their gums. I just definitely talk with a lisp now. You can tell that I'm wearing them because I have a gap between my teeth, so obviously you can see the extra bit and all that. But they're not uncomfortable. Like, I really expected this to be an uncomfortable wear. I've seen a lot of people try on aligners and they say that it scrapes against their gums, but I don't even feel it on my gum. These little chewy things are supposed to be like, if you feel like they haven't really popped into place or they're out of place, you're supposed to chew on these until aligners feel like they're fine. So you put them behind your back teeth and you bite down. Okay, that makes a really big difference because now they feel like they're actually in exactly where they're supposed to. So you're not supposed to throw these away, just rinse them off, because if you feel any pain and discomfort afterwards, you get to chew on these and that increases blood flow. And then to take them off, you're supposed to use this because they're really, really snug. So for upper, you're supposed to hook it over your molar and pull. Ooh, sorry. So that takes them off with no problem. For lower, you're supposed to hook onto the bottom molar and then up and out. And they come right off. So I'm probably going to just put this in my case or wherever so that if I'm out and I'm gonna eat lunch or whatever, I can take these out with no problem, along with those little chewy things, because it definitely fit a whole lot better once I chewed on the chewies. Like, I felt like it went right into my teeth, if that made sense. So yes, everything that they bring in the kit is totally necessary. They also have a foam there that's supposed to whiten and clean the aligners. I don't need to whiten or clean the aligners right now, so I'll update you guys in a few weeks so you can see how my teeth are shifting and if I've gotten used to speaking with these on. This is gonna be a really fun adjustment to speak with these things on in my mouth. But I'll see you guys soon. Hey guys, so I am 8 weeks into wearing my aligners, which means I am on my 4th set, and I just wanted to show you guys what my teeth are looking like now. I am super duper impressed at how quickly they are moving along, and I do want to mention that there is no discomfort at all, at least nothing you can't handle. I felt a little bit of discomfort during my first one, the first 2 days, because my teeth were just getting used to being pushed in, if that makes any sense. But after that, every time I switched aligners, I never really felt that discomfort. I also didn't really need that thing to pull off your aligners. It just became a lot easier for me to take them off and put them on. So all of that extra stuff was kind of left behind at home. I didn't really travel with it, except for the little thing. I do recommend traveling with your little clutch purse thingy for your aligners, because there are plenty of times where I put it on a napkin and almost lost those suckers for good. So definitely keep that in mind. But let me show you what my teeth are looking like. Here are my teeth before, and you can definitely see the crowding at the bottom and the gap up top. Here are my teeth now, and you can see the gap is definitely closing up. And when you see them side by side is when you could see the big difference. And this is on my 4th aligner. So as you can see, there's definitely a change. Nothing too crazy, but I will give you guys the final reveal at the end of this journey. I'm really excited to see what my teeth are gonna look like. So again, if you do want to try them out, check out the links in my description, use my coupon code, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time.